with the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Kelly.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Joanne.
Today we're going to be continuing our It's a Wrap week with lettuce wraps. And inside the lettuce we're going to put some turkey. So we have some ground turkey that Joanne is going to brown up in a nice warm skillet with some olive oil.
So we'll start that. And we want to break this up really good.
Yeah, break it up with the back of a wooden spoon so you have no clumps. And you want to cook it until it's nicely brown throughout. You don't want any pink because it is turkey, so make sure it's well cooked.
Okay, so our turkey has been sauteing here. We've been like browning it really good. You don't want any pink left in there.
And you want most of the liquid to be evaporated.
Right, and so now we're going to add some chopped celery. Jackie stirs that in.
And then you want to put this.
So in here we have
seasonings.
Yeah. So in here we have our sea salt, Aleppo pepper, and basil.
So that's fresh basil.
Yeah.
That we
Chopped fresh
chopped
basil.
up.
All of that lovely sea salt and seasoning.
So we're going to cook that for about 5 minutes.
Yeah. We're just going to let the celery get a little bit soft. And then we're going to assemble the rest of it. And so our celery is now nice and soft, which is exactly what we wanted.
Yeah.
So now we have some toasted pignoli nuts, pine nuts. You just want to take these and put them into a dry pan.
Yeah.
And just toast them up, but you can't leave them because they do toast pretty quickly once
use
they
about
start going.
medium heat, but don't walk
Yeah.
away. It takes
So
only
they'll look
a minute
like
or two for them to toast. Just
And we're
keep
gonna
them, keep moving them in the skillet so they don't burn.
So we're going to toss these into our turkey mixture. Shut off the heat.
It's going to add a nice crunch to your wrap.
Yeah, and that's what you want. You want a little bit of a crunch.
And a beautiful nutty flavor.
Yeah.
You know, it adds texture.
And then you want to shut off your heat.
We're using nice fresh bib lettuce.
Yeah.
The leaves are perfect for what we're doing.
Yeah, they are.
here.
So you want something that will hold up.
Yeah.
Boston lettuce, bib lettuce, they both work well. And just fill up your lettuce wraps. And this is great low carb. So
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about loading up on your carbs. There we go. Perfect.
And everybody can wrap their own.
So you
can
just take
fold
it
it
like
over.
this, fold it over,
And it's ready to eat.
and there you have our turkey lettuce wrap.
It's a wrap. Καλή όρεξη.
Καλή όρεξη.